After constructing a room in LightStanza, we can efficiently model a cove using the 2D polygon tool. Start by adjusting the view range so that it's above the height of the cove you intend to add so that it'll be visible. Say 9 feet so it's also below the ceiling. Then open the Draw panel to access the 2D polygon tool, and be sure to set an offset from level so that the cove isn't placed on the floor. And begin drawing the cove by tracing the perimeter of the room. Then create a small segment for the cove width. Let's say we're doing 2 feet for this example. And then start tracing the interior side of the cove. Use the snap to make sure you're 2 feet off the wall on each side. We can go all the way to the end and then back 2 feet. And finally, we can complete the cove simply by pressing the Enter key to close the loop. Notice we're still missing one portion of the cove. If you need the complete perimeter of the room as a part of the cove, you can simply add another plane or 2D polygon. Finally, we can switch to a 3D view to review what we've constructed. Use the scissors tool to kind of peek into the space. And now with the cove added to the room, we can start placing lighting fixtures on top of it to complete the design.